This white chocolate mango cheesecake slice is perfect for warm weather celebrations. Get started by greasing a 20cm square cake pan with oil spray. Line the base and sides with baking paper, allowing the sides to overhang. Place the butternut snap cookies and digestive biscuits in a food processor and blitz them until crushed. Add the butter and process until well combined. Spoon the biscuit mixture into the prepared pan and use a flat bottom glass to spread and press it evenly over the base. Pop the pan in the fridge for 30 minutes to set the biscuit base. Next, preheat the oven to 150 degrees Celsius. To make the cheesecake filling, place the mango in a clean food processor and process until smooth. Add the cream cheese, coconut cream, and sugar and process until smooth. Now add in the melted chocolate and passionfruit juice and process until smooth. Add the eggs and process until well combined. Pour the mixture over the biscuit base in the pan and bake for 45 to 50 minutes or until the cheesecake is just set. Turn the oven off and leave the cheesecake in the oven with the door ajar to allow it to cool down slightly. When the cheesecake is cool, transfer it to the fridge for 2 hours to chill. When ready to serve, lift the cheesecake out of the pan and transfer it to a serving plate. Top it with extra mango and passionfruit pulp. Sprinkle with coconut flakes and mint leaves for a fresh finish. Make the most of mango season with this irresistible cheesecake slice.